Hey everybody, here we are, bedtime. It's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to talk loud because the mixer's going. We're going to pour this bad boy here today. This is the dragon mold. And that's the dragon over there on the counter. You can see him. So I don't think we've ever done like a pour on vid, so I thought I'll just show you what I do. Here's my mix tumbling around. You can see it's pretty loose. I use a Super P, so if you're not using a plasticizer and your mix is that thin or thinner, you probably got too much water in it. This just allows you to get away with a thin mix and saving on the water usage. So you can see I'm set up for the pour. I'll be pouring. I'm just going to show the one pour, and then I'm going to be pouring most of the morning. You can see I've got all my stuff lined up for the morning, ready to go. I'm gonna have a warning. It's maybe turn down your volume because it's gonna get really loud because I'm gonna run the V table, so it's gonna be pretty noisy. So turn your volume down now would be a good time. So you're gonna see me you'll see me banging with a hammer and looking down at the model. And what I'm looking for is down in here. I've got the vents, 2 on each wingtip and 1 under his chin. So that's the front of the dragon is down here. And the wings are back here. So if you see me, what I'm doing is I'm looking for concrete to come up through those vents to make sure I got a good pour going through and get rid of the air bubbles. So without further ado, I'm just going to spin the big guy around here. And I'm just going to put some ear protection on. So again, turn down your volume, and here we go. This should only take a couple minutes, okay? There we go. That was it. So I just clean up the top. And I'll shake. I'm going to lift it up, and I always put the big models right on the floor, right near to me. So I'm just going to pick this up, put it down. Huh. I know what everybody's going to ask. The mold itself weighs 35 pounds, and it's just a little over, it's about 71 pounds is the concrete finished. So you can do the math on what the sucker weighs, but it's not too bad. So now I just smooth off the top quick. And that, my friends, is that. Have a good day.